Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get the ChatGPT Google Chrome extension. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you want to have a Google Chrome extension for ChatGPT, then go over to the Chrome Web Store and you just search for this app ChatGPT for Google and just add this to your Chrome. So what this does guys is for every Google search that you will do, it will have a ChatGPT generated answer here, and you can also use it with GPT-4, Cloud 2, Bard, and different things here. So as long as you subscribe to each of the plans that are required. So for example, you want to how to code a calculator in Python, for example. So it will actually have it here. So as you can see, this is another extension, but for this one, you just have to refresh it until you get the extension, as you can see here. So let's go back to that. You just have to refresh it until you get it. So as you can see, I have another extension. That is why I'm having it here. But it will work for you once you've activated the extension. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.